Who said you can't enjoy pizza for breakfast? And I'm making it healthy. Oh yeah, Black Martha Cooks. We making breakfast pizza, y'all. All right, we are making some healthy pizzas for breakfast this morning. So I've got some English muffins, a whole pack of English muffins. That's 6, and I've already sliced them in half to put on a sheet pan. And this is what we're going to put in them. So I'm going to saute up some onions, some Canadian bacon. This is the pack that I use. So I just chopped that up there. Some fresh mushrooms that I've chopped up that I'm going to saute. Some spinach. Love fresh spinach. I'm going to saute that up. And eggs. So this is 10 eggs. So 9 egg whites. And then 1 regular egg. The whole egg with the yolk. I'm going to scramble those up. Actually, I love egg whites, are good to me. If you don't like that, of course you could substitute and put the whole egg in there. Go for it, but we're trying to make it healthy, so good luck with that. I do love this. This is everything but the bagel seasoning. I love this seasoning. This is the only one that I actually like, the Trader Joe's one. And I've tried a couple from other different places, but this is the only one. So, yes, it does have salt in it, and you can see I only have a little bit left. That's pretty sad. And then the other thing I'm going to be using is some granulated chicken bouillon. I like that too. And some cheddar cheese, or some cheeses. What's this? Oh, Colby Jack. Yeah, so amazing. Use whatever you like. All right, so I've got this pan going, and I've got a couple of pans going. Back here, I'm going to put in my Canadian bacon. So I'm looking for some browning happening on that, because I really want my Canadian bacon to be warmed up. It gives a good, like, ham flavor to me. Okay. And then in this pan, I'm going to put some spinach. Now, I've just got a good couple handfuls of spinach. I would say probably about 2 to 3 cups of spinach that I've washed and kind of let it dry a little bit, but I'm not really serious about the drying process. It's a little lazy, so there we go. If you know anything about spinach, cooking fresh spinach, all of this spinach is going to cook down severely. If I don't use it, though, for this recipe, there's no worries, because I will certainly eat on it as a great side dish. I love spinach. Over here, I am going to put some onion. I love onion. Like, if you're in this family and you don't like onion, I don't know how you'll survive. So there's some onion. A great tip, chop up a whole lot of onion, and then whenever you need it, you can put it in a freezer bag and use it throughout the week or whatever. Onion freezes pretty well. And this is frozen, so I didn't even have to do any chopping of onions today. All right. So now what I'm doing is literally just taking my spatula and just kind of stirring that to get everything incorporated there. My spinach is on, and we'll come back and show you how this continues to work. All right, this is what our spinach is looking like. I told you it was going to cook down. And I actually went back and added another cup of spinach. And that's what we have. So I'm just going to give that a little bit longer. My Canadian bacon is coming on pretty good. And we're going to move over to the onions. As you can see, that's the color that I like on my onions. So now I'm adding my mushrooms. And these are just white mushrooms. So, yeah. And let me just kind of give them a stir and add them in there. Okay. Oh, yeah. That looks really good. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil in here. That's what that is. Just a little bit more. You don't want to add salt in them just yet because you want them to cook out a little bit more. What I'm going to add to my spinach is just a little bit of the granulated chicken bouillon. So that's what this is. I love that on my spinach. So I just used a little bit, maybe about a teaspoon or so. And again, I can eat this as a side. I just love spinach. And I'll also add in some onion powder. I forgot to mention that. And this is what our Canadian bacon looks like once it's been cooked a little bit. I think it's so much better doing it that way than just eating it straight out of the package. I like it this way on these breakfast pizzas. There are my onions and mushrooms. Nice, nice. And there's my little bitty spinach. That's it. All right, so I'm going to scramble the eggs and I'll come right back. All right, so now let's get to building our pizza. So first, I'm gonna start with my spinach. I like to put the spinach on the bottom of mine. Done assembling all of these amazing breakfast pizzas, and they are ready to go into the oven. So this recipe is enough for you to do 12 of these. All right, you just saw me build 4, but this is enough for 12. So I ran out of cheese for these poor little ones here in the back, so I did grab a little bit more cheese. But other than that, this gives you 12. So we're gonna put them into the oven, 400-degree oven, and I'm just literally just baking these just so the cheese melts, okay? Just so the cheese melts, all right? Well, the wait is over. Yummy. Oh yeah, I tore them up right after they came out of the oven. Could not wait. One tip, you can freeze these. It made 12, so I put them in a Ziploc bag or an airtight container, and they freeze very, very well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.